Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to list vintage items on Depop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you would of course like. Also, in the top right corner, we have the sell now option, the messages, we have the likes, and everything about your profile. So here your profile and the logout button at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and list vintage items on Depop. So listing vintage items on Depop is a straightforward process. Here are the steps. Open the Depop app and go to the selling section. Or you can go of course on the website and click on here and go to the selling options on your profile. So go to your profile and then click on selling. Then tap the manage the listing and then add a listing. Of course, you can then click on list an item to of course list an item here. So upload photos and videos. So you can add up to 4 photos and 1 video on your listing. Write up a detailed description, of course. Then you need to go and set a category and price. Then add shipping information and post your listing. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.